Human-machine interaction. Human-machine interaction (HMI) can be defined as the communication or interaction between humans and machines through a user interface to fulfill a specific task or operation. With the help of the user interface, a human communicates with a computer while working on the computer. In human-machine interaction, hardware and software plays a major role. Nowadays, natural user interfaces (NUIs) have gained attention of the humans. NUI is a type of sensory input system that is invisible to the user. They allow humans to interact with the machine in natural ways like touch, speech, and gesture. The main aim of an NUI is to create seamless interaction between the human and machine. In this type of HMI, sensors are used to capture human postures and motions. For example, the Microsoft Kinect sensor captures your body movement and controls the character in the game. Now, let us learn about the domains of AI.